how to use a soundboard on Roblox VC. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a soundboard on Roblox VC mobile. So let's get started. At the moment, Roblox does not support soundboard apps on mobile devices the way it does on PC. Those overlay style apps you may expect to work simply aren't compatible. This is because mobile operating systems doesn't allow system audio to be routed directly into the microphone. Since Roblox chat on mobile only recognizes input from a physical microphone and not virtual audio, using a standard app-based soundboard is impossible. However, there are a few alternative methods on how you can use it. One simple workaround is using a second device. You can play sound effects from another phone or tablet and hold your main device microphone close to the speaker. This method works instantly and does not cost anything. But the audio quality won't be perfect since it's being picked up externally. Another option is using detected audio equipment with tools like an audio mixer, splitters, and cables. You can route sound directly into your phone so it registers as microphone input. This setup delivers much clearer audio and works similarly to PC soundboards. The downside is that it requires extra hardware and can be more expensive. If you're searching for a free app or overlay to do this directly on your mobile, then unfortunately that isn't possible. On mobile, soundboards require physical devices or external gear. There is no software-only solution. Roblox games include built-in voice effects. For example, in certain social or hangout games, you can access voice settings and apply voice changes directly in the game. These features are limited to specific games and usually only include voice filters rather than full soundboards. So overall, if you want a true soundboard experience on Roblox Mobile, external hardware is the only reliable way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.